You got a fresh new piercing and you're wondering, asking yourself, what can I do? What can I take? What can I put on there for this piercing to heal super duper fast as possible? We're gonna break it to you right now. There's some guy I know in Tibet. He's a really cool guy. He's been studying. He's been a monk all his life, and he came up with a unique, specific product that's aimed to help you heal. I'm joking. There's no product. There's no magic pill. There's no spray. There's no serum. There's no potion or magic elixir or anything like that that's gonna cure your piercings instantaneously. I wish there was. I've been a super rich guy, but that's not what it is right now. There's no potion yet. I mean, maybe the technology is gonna be there in a couple of years. I don't know. But until now, there's no such thing. But there's some tips that I'm gonna give you that help you heal faster. But other than that, there's no product you can use to like increase the speed. So the most important thing to know is your body does all the healing, and it varies person to person, body to body, and how long it takes for your piercings to heal. Some people are just unicorns. They're super lucky. Like in a couple of weeks, they're done. They're healed, which I've seen personally. I've been shocked. I don't know how this is possible, but dude, that's cool. Or girl, that's awesome. Some people it just take 6 to 9+ months for it to heal. So it depends on you and your body, your anatomy, all that kind of stuff. There's no way for me to fully know, but there are some tips you can do to kind of help you along the way. Number one thing is, of course, staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water. Our bodies are made out of water, so you want to make sure you're fully hydrated. If you could drink alkaline water, that's gonna be even better, but if not, it's cool, just stay hydrated. The second thing to do, of course, is eating a well-balanced diet, having healthy food, don't eating junk food, garbage in, garbage out. Of course, along with eating well, having a well-balanced diet is taking supplements like multivitamins that give your body's essentials. A lot of times we cannot take in or absorb all the minerals, all the vitamins through food itself. So we're usually deficient of some of our vitamins and essential minerals in our body. So what we do is we take supplements like multivitamins that can really flourish our vitals and our body, make it be a lot more healthier. So definitely take your multivitamins to replenish your vital nutrients, vitamins, and essential minerals. Number 4 is, of course, stay active, be healthy. I'm not saying go to the gym every single day, lift weights, do a light walk, do Pilates, do some yoga, walk around the block or do something, stand up and do some jumping jacks. Something simple just to keep your body active, not lethargic and just like a couch potato. Most importantly, of course, is to take care of your piercings by cleaning it twice a day with a saline solution. No alcohol, no peroxide, no harsh chemicals are not meant to clean your piercings. That's gonna be a big issue. And of course, avoid stuff like touching or playing with it as well too. Combine all of these together and you have a recipe for success. And of course, you have your piercings heal a-okay with time. If you have any issues during your healing process, the best advice I can give you is go and visit your local piercer and have them take a look at it. But if you follow all the steps I've outlined for you guys today, you'll be a-okay. Of course, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a pharmacist, just some tips to give our clients that work. Just go ahead and check it out. It's just thing you always hear every single day, everywhere. Eat well, stay hydrated, take your vitamins, everything will be okay. It works, what can I tell you? All the advice I gave you in today's video is also shared with our clients in our piercing studio, so we know it works. Just go ahead and do it and make sure your piercings stay healthy and clean. Of course, click that video on the screen right now to go and watch the next video, and we'll see you right there. Click it, and we'll see you in the next video.